What's up guys, Corey back once again with another video. Today guys, we have new chassis by Mass Design. This is the V3. I've had this for a while and I'm just getting around to building it. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use to build this chassis. But first, let's get this thing open. So this is what you'll get when you get your Mass chassis. So these are the printed parts. You're gonna get that sticker. This really nice sticker sheet. And you get this nicely packaged chassis. I initially had the TI chassis, but I decided to go ahead and do the carbon. I think this is gonna fit better with the theme that I'm going with. As I said, I had this chassis for a long time. Right after it first came out, I'm just getting around to building it. Once the weather changed, I love to do more crawling. Parts I'm about to show you, I've had these parts for a long time. Since the V2 came out, I just never got around to building them. So let's show you the parts that we're gonna go with. First off, the servo. So this particular servo is a NSDRC and is the RS100. And this time, something I never use is the BEC. We're gonna go ahead and run this thing at full power. We also have the NSDRC mount for the servo. So we also have the Mass Design links, which I built these a while ago, probably about, I don't know, 6 months ago. But I also went ahead and bought the double bend links. This particular build, we're gonna use the double bend links. For wheels, we have Mass Design as well. We have another set, and I'm pretty sure this is the set I'm gonna go with because of the color. I'm not really sure just yet. For the theme, I'm using either one of these actually will work. Tires, we're gonna do the Proline Ruptures. I've been wanting to try a set of these for a long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these. We have 2 transmissions here, and I'm pretty sure both of these have overdrive gears. We have weights by Trill, but I'm pretty sure the application that I'm about to do, I'm not gonna be able to use these, and I'll show you why shortly. And we're gonna go with the Furitek pancake style motor on this particular one, and we have that mount here as well. We also have a set of flubs here. I can't remember the size, but I did get these from someone, and we're gonna use these in this particular build. For the ESC, I'm gonna go with one of the Lizard Pros that I had on one of my other builds. Forgot about this set of wheels. I'll probably end up going with these. These are some of my favorites. I got a set of these and I never use them, so we're probably gonna end up going with a set of these. I also have a set of these Mass Design portals with all the weights as well, front and rear. But it's gonna be a toss-up between those and these by RC all-wheel drive. Theme I'm going with, I think this is gonna work out a little bit better. For the body, I have a Cliffhanger body. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with it. And I may go with this one, I'm not really sure. I got another bag of parts from Mass. I don't even know what this is. I bought this a while ago. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see what it is. Cool stickers as usual. Oh, now I remember, overdrive gears. So that's pretty much it. I got a ton of other parts. I'm gonna go ahead and build this thing, guys, but I'm not gonna do a build video because it's just gonna take me entirely too long. I got a ton of other videos I need to do, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing built and let you guys check it out. Finished, and as you can see, I went ahead and went with the Mass turbine wheels and the Ruptures, of course. This is my first big tire truck. I've never built anything with big tires. I really don't like the big tires. I'm a Patagonia type guy. And in the video you just saw, I had the RC all-wheel drive portals on, but I did go ahead and change them back out to the Mass Design axles because I had a few problems with those axles. We also installed an overdrive. And as you guys remember, I had these portals on my base camp. Well, I just recently changed it up, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. So underneath the hood, that's the servo we went with, RS100 in red. We went with a Lizard Pro. Micro receiver also for the FlySky MB4. We also went with the Micro Komodo. We did the Proline big bore shocks as well. And we didn't do the BEC. We did the double bend links. Guys, make sure you check out those links. For the price, you can't beat them. This was a very, very fun build. As always, I love the Mass products. These trucks are like unstoppable. I mean, it came out really well. Tell me what you guys think about it. But I think it turned out pretty good. The only problem I had on this build was where the pinion goes on here. It was turned to the outside where the grub screw goes in. So it was hitting on the actual gear on the inside there. So I ended up messing up a gear before I even noticed that what was going on. It was getting to a certain point and skipping. So it wasn't the motor. It was actually the grub screw. It was turned the wrong way. Well, I can't say it was turned the wrong way. It was turned the wrong way for my application. But yeah, all in all, guys, this truck, phone just won't stop ringing, guys. Tell you what, while I take this call, check out this video. Ever wanted headphones that feel like they're barely there? Meet the Lytymi Cozyfit, one of the lightest open ear headphones out there, weighing just 6.7 grams. Designed for all day wear, it features the world's thinnest ear hook for a sleek, stylish look. Plus, with liquid silicone and a 0.6 millimeter mirror steel, it flexes to fit your ear perfectly while staying put, whether you're on the move, working out, or just chilling. With Bluetooth 5.4, you'll get a stable connection and crisp, clear audio. And thanks to directional sound technology, you can stay aware of your surroundings while you enjoy your music or calls. Oh, and did I mention the battery lasts up to 8 hours on a single charge? And it's IPX5 water resistant, so no worry about sweat or a little rain. So if you're looking for lightweight, comfortable headphones that actually stay put, these are the ones to go with. Check out the Lytymi Cozyfit headphones using my exclusive link below in the description. As you can see, guys, this little rig is really, really sweet. I am already in love with it. So if you're interested in this particular build, just look down below. I have a link to the Mass Design store, so make sure you check that out. I'm also going to put a link to the links. These came out pretty sweet. Hadn't had a chance to take it out and get any footage. This is the first bright day, sunny day we had in a while. But we are going to take this thing to the course and we're going to drive and see how well it does perform. I want to give a shout out to Mass over at Mass Design for always coming out with these cool chassis. Probably not supposed to say anything, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Hope you don't get mad at me about this, Mass. But got something coming that's going to be, I don't know when it's coming, but he got something coming. Let's just say it like that. So you're going to make sure you want to stay tuned and make sure you go over and check him out, follow him as well, because he got something that's coming, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to want one. Any questions you have about this truck, go ahead and post them down below. Let me know what you think about it. Tell me how you think this build came out. And as always, guys, thanks for coming over and checking out this video. I appreciate you guys. We have more videos coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Till next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.